Isso,
Ah,
caixa.
não, então, hein? Eu gosto dessa faca. I like the knife.
Go. Ruger. Ruger.
Oh,
Ruger. CJRB. Oh, look at this.
senhora.
Free gift. Whoa, look at all this. Falcon even knives. K-bar. Oh my gosh, look at all these stickers. Southern Grind Jackal. Spyderco. Wow. Look at that. Spyderco. Wee Knives. Knife Center coaster. Case. Wow. Browse Blades. CRKT. Another Wii. I don't have this color. Look at that. It's a green color. Wii. Duke. I want to get a Duke. What's this? Tactical Knives. Bastinelli Creations. Wow. Okay. This took forever to get here because of that CJRB. Okay. So it finally came after all this time. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot of swag. Okay, combat ready survival bracelet. Black.
Que é isso?
Olha, espera.
Tá. Gente, é muito chique. Não, não, muito bom, besteira. Não, amor, é minha. É minha, viu? Cabe no meu set. É um aviso.
Okay, comes with Ruger knives. Wow, look at that. Follow through, 2-stage, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now I'm looking forward to this. This is the... Velcro, too bad. I'd rather have a button. And this does not have a pocket clip. What on earth is this? Bio armor mildew piece? Do not eat? Okay. So, that's the do not eat. It's got scout carry and regular belt loop. Look at that. That is enormous. Oh, it's really, really heavy. And absolutely no... Oh, that's tough. That has to be rolled out. Look at that.
Nossa, toma dessa faca.
That is a huge knife. I mean, I knew it was going to be big. But I mean, it's so much bigger than I expected. I think this is aluminum? It's heavy though. Whatever it is. Maybe it's steel. I mean, that's certainly meant to be a hard user knife. This is my first time getting Veff Serrations. I wanted to check that out. Ooh, God, that is sharp. I wanted to check out these Veff Serrations. So that's Harzy design. Oh, well, would you look at that? It's a liner lock. The liner lock looks a little further than I'd like, but that is not a one-hand operating knife. Maybe that'll break in. Look at that. Blade stock. Wow. What's the blade centering look like? Not too great. It's just about okay. What does that tip look like? Is that tip straight? Grind looks sort of strange on the tip, but that is a huge, huge knife. Yeah, it only comes in a belt thing, so oh well, there's that. Let's see, there's another one here, another Ruger. This one, oh, also comes in a belt sheath. What is this? Oh, this is that strange, you know, I do not have a shotgun. I believe this is for a shotgun tool, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe it's a 1022 barrel? I don't know. I think that's for taking out the barrel. I was just sort of curious. It was low priced. I was kind of curious what sort of... It seems pretty sturdy. Yeah, it seems pretty sturdy. Oh, you got a... one... Look at that, a Tanto. Go figure. And with a liner lock? Is it? No, it's not. What is that supposed to be then? Oh, it is a liner lock. Yeah, it's a liner lock. Just wasn't locking up at first. It's not locking up very well. Oh well, that'll probably break in. Okay, and flathead. Another flathead, and another flathead. I guess this is something that... Ooh, and proper nail file. Okay, or a proper file anyway. I don't know if it's metal or wood. I have no idea if I'm even on screen or not. Sorry about that. And Allen keys. Okay. Hey, you know, sure it has some sort of purpose for some sort of... I can't remember what this thing was called. ...1911 tool. Oh, okay, so maybe it's for taking apart the 1911. I mean, it still kind of would work as pliers at the end there. Looks like you do have a wire cutter in there with a lot of goop in there. No idea if I'm even on screen. Sorry, yeah, I guess I am, sort of. Okay, well, there's that. That's sort of a strange little tool. I was just curious about that, see what that was about. I think it goes in like that. See, they could have had a button on this. Why didn't they stick with the button? I usually don't like getting knives that are associated with gun companies. They're usually pretty inferior, but Ruger did a good job in pairing up with CRKT. So I think these things are much better. Look at that. That's not bad action. Once again, Veff Serrations. Those are some brutal looking serrations. I'm really curious to check that out. I look forward to that. Great action. Why are there thumb studs here? Oh, interesting. It's a carabiner. So I guess that's how the pocket clip works. So it's gonna go in the pocket this way, which means it's does that mean it's an ambidextrous clip? I think so. That means it can go in either pocket. That's pretty cool. That's not bad at all. I don't mind that. Curious to carry that. So we've got... I wanted to check out the Veff Serrations. I wanted to see what that was all about. They look like they're vicious. So I look forward to seeing that. Look at that. I mean, if that isn't big, I mean, what do I have that can be compared to? Yeah, not here. I mean, what do I got here? I think this is the Purvis. This is the Purvis. Jeez, look at that. I think this is the Dogma. else do I have over here? I have the Naja flipper. Yeah, see, it's closer in size there, the Naja flipper. It's a pretty big knife. Last but not least, the CJRB comes in a very unimpressive box, which is just as well. I'd rather they put the money into the knife, which I think everyone would agree. They're definitely putting everything into the knife. Look at that, natural jade. This is my first natural jade scale. I'm planning on pulling them off and painting the underside of it. Wow, that flips out. Like, man, it feels like it's assisted. Wow! That action is as good as I've ever seen. And this is the smaller one. I know everyone's got the larger one, but this is just right at 3 inches, so that's basically legal anywhere. I think that's a really smart move to go with things that are 3 inches, unless you guys are from one of these cowboy states that lets you carry bazookas and stuff. You know, you guys don't need to worry about length, but it's always an issue. God, that action is absolutely incredible, and it's definitely drop shutty. I mean, look at that. That comes slamming down. And it's small.
Ela é daquelas fluorescentes.
No,
Daquelas fluorescentes?
não, é natural.
Parece. É linda essa faca também.
Yeah.
Caramba.
So there you go. This was the knife center order plus this. The 1911 tool with the blade that is one-handed and a lock blade. So that's not too bad. Yeah, there, it locked up that time. With a tanto at that. I believe this is the first and possibly only multi-tool I know of that actually has a tanto blade on it. Have you ever seen that? Comment if you know that, if you've heard of a multi-tool that has a tanto blade on it. I don't ever remember seeing one. So there we go. There's my haul.